my name is Miss Tracey with the Louisville Public Library, and I am here to take you through a tutorial video about our 2021 Summer Reading Online program, themed as Tales and Tales. And here at the Louisville Library, we have more focused that theme around cryptids, as you've seen in the intro video. Hopefully that video got you all excited to join the hunt this summer. I know we are super excited for our program theme this year. Through this video, I'm going to walk you through how to utilize our online system. And even though we are coming to an end of a lot of our COVID pandemic restrictions, we did still feel it was suitable to continue with an online virtual version of the program this year. There are some parts of the program that do give you the opportunity to come into the library, and we are planning some socially distanced and safe in-person events over the summer. They will strictly be outdoors for your safety, so they will be weather permitting. And I'm really hoping we do get to have those for you so we can have everyone together again. So let's go through this video and learn how to hunt for our cryptids and earn those awards to get prizes at the end of the summer. The program this year will run from June 7th to August 6th. There will be 3 separate programs online, so 3 separate websites. The first one will be the children's program, or as we are calling them, the critters. And they will focus on the cryptid creatures of the mermaids, the kraken, and the pegasus. The next program that you'll see online will be the teen program, or the beast. And for the teens, we are focusing on a lot of the local cryptid legends, such as the Minerva Monster, which is the Bigfoot of Stark County, Lake Erie's Bessie, which is the Northern Ohio's version of Loch Ness, and then the Loveland Frogman from Southern Ohio. Then there will be the adult program, or the cryptids. And that program is going to focus on the biggest legends of them all: Bigfoot, the Loch Ness Monster, and the Thunderbird, a Native American legend. Now I'm going to show you how to access the Summer Reading Online program. First, you're going to want to visit louisvillelibrary.org. You're going to want to go to our website, and on the website you will see the upcoming events calendar. You'll want to click on that, and in the calendar you will see the icons for the children's program, the teen program, or the adult program. Whichever one pertains to you is the one you will click on, and then whenever that description opens up, there will be a web link under more information and registration. Now I will walk you through the registration process. Once you've clicked that link, this window will appear, and this is where you will create your user online portal for the Summer Reading Online program. Now, if you've participated with us in the past and you remember your login information, or you can also use the forget password link, you can go ahead and use the main login box there. But if you are new, or if you just completely forget all of your information from previous years, you can click the Join Here link, and that will take you to create a whole entire new user portal. The first box that will appear will ask your age, because your age confirmation does determine if you fit in the program that you're trying to register for. And then you will go through and give all of your basic information. You can register an individual, or you can register a group. So if you are doing this for, say, a summer day camp, you can register a group of children all at the same time. Very handy tool, I love it. But you will go through and enter your basic info, create a username, create a password. And then I do want to focus on the last thing you will be asked for, which is your location. Please make sure you use online only. This really does benefit us at the library and how we run our statistics. We do need to have the correct location down on your registration. Really appreciate it. Now we will start going through what you can do with your online user portal. And everything that you do with it is how you earn your rewards and tickets to get those prizes at the end. First, we're going to log reading, because some of your challenges throughout the summer are reading so many pages. And it's as simple as just typing in the book title and how many pages you read. Or you can even check the box that said, I just finished the whole entire book. And then every time you submit your log, you will get another award given to you. Now, I will take you through the challenges. Under the Challenges tab on your user portal, we'll show you all of the upcoming challenges that need to be completed. And all of the challenges you will have for this summer will be things such as checking out items, and that will be physical books and movies and such in the library, but we also offer the option to check out digital items. If you're still not comfortable going out to public places, you can still do this completely all online from home. Other challenges will be to read so many pages as we just went through, and then also to watch our program videos. Once you've done what a challenge has asked you to do, make sure you always click that complete challenge button to get your prize awarded to you. Now here's an example, the Check Out 3 Movies challenge. You will see there will always be information typed in a description box giving you instructions on how to complete that challenge. And for challenges such as checking out books or movies, to confirm that you did actually complete the challenge, we ask that you type in the text box the titles of the items you checked out. So the titles of the books, the titles of the movies, and then again click that complete challenge button. Whenever you look in the description on some of the challenges, there will be a link to go to an external site. And for instance, if you click the link on this challenge, it will take you directly to our Hoopla site to give you the opportunity to check out digital items. And keep in mind, you don't have to choose whether if you get physical books and movies in at the library or digital items. You can mix it up and do both. That is completely fine. I highly recommend doing both. I get stuff from both locations all the time. I love our digital services. Now the challenges for the videos, there will always be a link in the description to take you to our YouTube channel, the Louisville Library's YouTube channel, to watch that week's video. And now for the videos, for each of the programs, the children's, the teens, and the adults, there will be a new video posted each week on YouTube. We will post these on Facebook as well, but we do have restrictions on how long videos can stay live on Facebook. So the links in your user portal account will always take you to the YouTube channel, because those videos will stay on YouTube throughout the duration of the entire program. The videos will air each day at 10:30. The children's on every Monday, the teens every Tuesday, and the adults every Wednesday. They will go live at 10:30 a.m. on those days and stay on YouTube throughout the summer. Now here shows you an example of what it'll look like when you click that link and you go to a YouTube video. You'll see the video screen there. And then what you'll also want to look for is down in the comments and description of the video, there will be a link that will help you get right back to your user portal. So that way, once you've watched the video, you can go right back into your user portal and click that complete challenge button. I don't want you to miss out on getting any of your awards to earn prizes. Every time you've ever clicked complete challenge, you will get a notification. Challenge completed, you have earned one award for the program. Each week, there will be incentive sheets that'll list for you all of the challenges you need to complete for that week. We will have those in paper form, in the grab bags, and at the library. And grab bags I'll talk about here more in a little bit. And then we will also have them in a digital version online on the Louisville Library's website, so you do have access to those. And now for the grab bags. Each week there will be a grab bag to go with every video, to go with the children's, the teens, and the adult videos. And the grab bags will include numerous types of items. If it is a craft video posted that week, you will have the supplies in that bag to make that craft. If it is just an informational video, maybe taking you on a Bigfoot hunt, then there might just be a fun little item like a bookmark to color, something simple, a nice little prize for you for watching the program that week. But you can stop in at the library anytime, and that is at 700 Lincoln Street here in Louisville, to pick up your grab bags. And regarding those in-person programs I said at the beginning, we are planning 3 adult craft demonstration video programs this summer. They will be located on the green space, uptown Louisville. The address for that is 504 East Main Street. And those will work with good social distancing practices. Masks will be required. And our staff will demonstrate for you live the craft that was done in the video for that week. And then also, whenever you are done watching the demonstration, there will be a special grab bag for you to pick up. Your grab bag will include craft items needed to make the craft and some extra special goodies that we would like to give you for coming out to see us. But again, please watch social media posts and the library's website, because we have to host these outdoors, so they are weather permitting. So please do keep a close eye on the website and social media for updates about the in-person programs. In the awards section of your user portal, you will have a list of all challenges you have completed. For every challenge you complete, you get 1 award. Now that's the same as coming into the library, completing a challenge and putting your name and phone number on a ticket and dropping it in a drawing basket, which is the way we used to do things. Now, using the online portal, your awards are automatically given to you. They're kept track of in your user portal, and they are calculated at the end of the program using the virtual software. There will be 3 prize baskets that your name will be put in drawings for. For the children's, there will be 3 prize baskets, and those names are drawn strictly from those who registered for the children's program. And the same goes for the teen program. All of the teens will be put in for drawings for the 3 prize baskets for them. And again, the same thing for the adults, 3 prize baskets. Then we will post all the prize drawing winners on social media. And depending how you put down your preferred contact information when you registered, you will get notification from us, either by a phone call or an email telling you that you've won. And at any time you need help throughout this, you can't figure out how to complete the challenges, you have a problem with registration, or maybe you're having trouble with some links getting to and from the YouTube channel, do not hesitate to call. All of our staff are very well trained on this online user portal system. We also have a different backdoor way to get into the program, so if there is an actual technical glitch with your portal, because you never know with technology, we have alternate ways of getting in to correct any problems and make your system work. You can call us at 330-875-1696, and any one of our staff members will be more than happy to help you. Or if you prefer, you can email, and you can email me directly, tracy.phillips@louisvillelibrary.org. Well, I hope you are just as excited about our cryptid adventures this summer as I am. All of our staff have been working really hard at making these videos and preparing for some of these in-person events. I do have to say this is one of our most favorite themes we've had for summer reading. We are so excited and having so much fun finding all this information and putting everything together. And I hope you've really enjoyed watching this video, learning how to use the online system. I hope it does help you on getting through it all. And I am so happy that you're going to join us for a fun summer of cryptid hunting.